43. Get the link. The second YouTube broadcast at 8:43 America's time. I'll use this link here. Okay, so we're going to go through some of these different tasks and work that can be done, and then we will go from there. I think we're going to postpone this one till the end, see how far we get. Okay. So let's start with the Global Master Weekly Notes. So here are our notes for our Super Global team. And if you go to the Global Network, you should have the Master Weekly Notes right here. So we want to make a doc. And that's where you would do your notes. For example, like yesterday when I wasn't there, that's where you would add for global call and global schedule. So you do this for 1 week, you have a doc. So we put that in a task list. Now let's see here. Task list. To create a global weekly doc. So does someone want to do this one? Either Abdul or Ulyses? Maybe Ulyses? Make a doc for that. So from there, we are going to want to, we can look at how we do it for the Americas team. So you come in here, you would go to, for example, here's the Americas notes for the week. Oh no, I need permission. Oh, that's not good. Oh boy. Well, Ulyses, can you make the doc? Okay, so let's review some of the tasks. So if we go back to our notes from yesterday, the day before. No, not these ones. Not these ones either. So this is today, but we don't have Lucy here. Wait, no, this is yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, Ulyses, were you able to make that doc for the?
I can hear you guys.
I can hear you.
Can you hear me guys?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. You're pretty quiet, but I can definitely hear you.
Sorry, I can everything. Hey, no,
Well, yeah, we can hear you.
I do.
Okay, so I'm just gonna create this doc. So if I'm gonna go in here, I go to the global, and I go to Drive. Then I go to New Document. And this can be the global master notes for week the 23rd to 29th. Right. So then, for example, you guys would write here, I guess actually these would be like Asia. This would be like Asia master notes. Australasia master notes. So this would be all in like U2C plus 6. Asia time. So for yesterday, you would say like 8 a.m. Australasia time. You guys did Buddy, Team, Abdul, Ulyses. And so you would say how many hours that was. And then you can put details, and you want to just go ahead and head it, make a header so that we can make the contents at the top. And then you also want to put the date. So this would be for 2. This would be Saturday, April 29th. And then you guys can also add other dates. And then when you put together a contents, if you insert a contents, you'll see that it says the date, and then you have all the different activities. And then this would be a document for Asia team. So if you go to team, go to the Asian network, and say master weekly network. To be Ulyses. So basically, if you come here, you're able to link. This is the content here. Content. Does that make sense? And so this is where you would update the notes. So if you guys could create a new doc for this week.
Yes.
So task. So the task would be create a global weekly note doc for this next week. So maybe Abdul, you can do this. And so you'd want it to be similar to this, except you'd want to have it be next week, and then you can put today's notes on it. So how many hours did you guys work last night with Lucy? And so here you put like link to notes. And you'd also want to do, you could say like value tracking. Okay. Google, like 2 hours. 2 hours. Lucy, 2 hours. Okay, like half hour. Have a deliverable. So do you guys get the Global Master Weekly Notes? What you're supposed to do with that? And so you could make one, so this would be a global one for Asia. Asia, this would be UTC +6. You could also make one, you could also create a your channel. Yeah? I can't hear you. Can you say again? I still can't hear you. You just link to previous meeting YouTube. Excellent. Thanks, Abdul. Yeah, so that's a good start. So yeah, so just get that link to the other docs, and then you're good to go. Business. Sit on that one. Yeah. So this is where the next week's notes would go right here, Abdul. So you want to put them here. All right. So and you guys can make another doc here for the African notes. It could be UTC -0. So we're going to have 4 or 5 sets of master notes depending on the time zone someone's in. So they can just add their work to it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Are you sure you can't mute Abdul? It's very, very loud.
Hi Jay. Hi Abdul, are you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. That's the problem. If you could mute, it would be quieter.
Hi Jay, I am Abdul. Are you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I hear you. That is the problem. It is very loud. Loud. If you could mute the mic, it would be quieter. Unless you have something to say.
Hi Jay, is this okay now?
I don't think you muted. It's you still need to just push the blue button right here.
Is this better now, Jay?
I know I can still hear you. I can still hear you. You just click the blue button to mute. Microphone muted, see? And then unclick. That's a little better. Maybe Ulyses is also has noise still too. So Ulyses, maybe if you could mute too, if you click the mute button, Ulyses. Oh my god, that's so much better. Like actually kind of quiet now, which is really good. I can hear myself think and talk. Okay, so getting back to where I was here. So what I was trying to show you guys is some of these endless tasks. So we have plenty of tasks that you can keep doing. One is indexing these videos. We need to get all these videos indexed. Like, you know, it's just a matter of like copying, you know, like this link and then linking it here. So you just go ahead and link it to there. Boom, see? That's it. And then making sure all of these are correct. That's indexing videos. There's also the master training. No, there's also the master video index list. So databasing videos, audio, and documents. We went over this the other day. Where would that be? Oh yeah, it's at the bottom of our master training. It's like right here. So we went over that. And then there's also the finances. Finances. And right now our goal for the finances is really just getting the finance project doc. So we just want to get all those. See, right now we just have the first one, so we want to get all the spreadsheets linked here. So link the rest of the spreadsheets. There's also value tracking. Basically going into all the notes and from, this also relates to from the master list, notes from the master notes list, pulling out the people who were involved and how long they met, work. And then you have, what was the other one? Oh wait, I'll make sure I get the finances. Here we go, getting people paid, downloading the spreadsheets. There's that one. And then I'm going to cover a couple more here. So there's task tracking and prioritization. So we want to create a master task list. You guys want to make we need a doc for the master task list and the master task list and the master topic list. Maybe Abdul, you can make the master task list, and Ulysses, you can make the master topic list. Cool. So we have the master topic list. Oops. And put this, let's double check, make sure that it's correct here. Oh, Ulysses, you're the owner, so you need to switch this into like the Unity Net Global, for example. So that's another task that needs to be done. So we should have that one in here. Documentation screen, linking docs. So we don't have that. Okay, so let's do a quick training here on, so we did the master notes docs, that's done. That's pretty much at the beginning. So then we're going to do the master task lists. This is for docs. And it is currently minute 32. Okay, so okay, so the master task list. So we would take this document here and copy it into the global team. So you have the master task list. Okay, good, perfect. You did that already. So then what we would do is we would take, if we go, for example, to like, these meeting minutes from the other day, we have all these tasks. So we copy all these tasks, and then we would paste it into, where we go? Master, oh wait, this is the master topic list. All right, let's go on here. So the master task list. So here's the master task list. So we would copy and paste all of the tasks from that meeting here so that we have them stored. And so the same thing would be for the topics. So then the topics, we would go here. So we're going to go ahead and link the master topic list here. And then you would go into the notes and you'd say next steps, and we would copy this to the master topic list. And that would be a topic. You could also yeah, I think that's the only one in this particular situation here. Cool, so that's pretty much it. So you would just like open up the notes. That one doesn't have any topics. Let's do the new moon section. So you come in here, you would, here we go, the tasks. And you'd also want to make sure that all the video indexes were done correctly. So then the next steps, these would all go into the topic list. So there's a master topic list, like that. And then here we have all these tasks. And all the tasks would go into the master task list, like that. So you'd want to go through, see which ones are done. If it's done, you can basically delete it, so it's done. And then things that are not done, we'd want to bold or whatever. Okay, so that is how to do that. Task and topic recognition. So roles and responsibilities for Abdul. Roles and responsibilities for Ulyses. You guys can do the task and topic tracking and prioritization. And you guys can also do the finances, value tracking, at the video indexing. And you have a documentation, databasing, and so you want to add all the other information here, and also want to add the week. So you have to add the entire week here, and then also the other details. So there's still a lot of work to do there. Just use the other one as a template. So there's the weekly master notes. This would be, and then there's also, yeah, I think that's pretty much. You can also check on ownership of documents to make sure they're owned correctly. See, this one's owned by me, so that's fine. Okay. So you guys have any questions? You guys good to go on all the work that needs to get done? Another task would be to copy and paste let's see, copy and paste the roles and responsibilities below into Ulyses and Abdul's. Okay, so you guys have lots of tasks to do now. Just let me know if you have any questions. Also, do your best to track your deliverables, and we are going to go. Here you go. Okay. I have to get focused on my tasks, which are these. So I need to work on the exit reporting, the exit planning, and exit finance. And you can see here a little bit of what I'm doing here. So I have this whole operations report. So we're reporting on the first 2 weeks. So I have the overview, got all our budgets, and I've been updating all of the budgets and spreadsheets. So we have all the personnel finances and getting people paid. We've been getting all that finalized and updated. And then also the all of these finances and spreadsheets so that we know exactly how many Bitcoins we have, the total numbers and everything. So it's been a lot of work, but we're getting really close. And then we have our estimated value for all the work that we're doing and the value tracking master ledger. So cool. All right. So yeah. Remember to track all your hours. Okay, bye.